Hi, I'm Dr. Binder. Today I'm here with a client that wants to do some lip enhancements, and she's a little unsure if filler is the right way to go for her. She thinks it might be a little too much. And so what we're going to do is start with some PDO smooth threads. We're going to put those threads around the borders of the lip. It's going to help bring out the borders and give a subtle lip enhancement, and we'll go from there. So our first step we're going to do with this is we've got some topical anesthetic, and we're just going to apply that to the lips. We'll put it around the edges here. Alright, so we'll let that set for a few minutes, and we can also, for those that want, we can also completely numb the lips. Because we're a dental office, we can numb the lips so people don't feel anything. With the topical, it'll be pretty comfortable. It might feel a little pinchy here and there, but not too bad. Usually this is adequate, but we do have that option. Alright, so here's our smooth thread. We're just going to stick this right in here on the side. I have a little pinch there. There we go, sliding in. Just like that, we can kind of see the outline of the thread there. So we're just going to hold this, pull it out, just like that. Alright, so the lower lip, I'm going to use what's called a twisted thread, which might be a little tricky to see in the camera, but the thread is wound around our needle there. And this is going to give a little extra plump. So we want that in the lower lip. So we're going to, same thing, kind of put it there right at the border. Take this around. Right there. So we can see our thread outline. I'll just take that. We added a couple more threads right here in the center just to give a little bit more plump, and we're just going to take those out just like that. So we got done. We did 7 threads. We did 2 in the top lip and we did 5 in the bottom lip, and so the threads have really brought out the border, gives that little extra plump in the center. Went really pretty quick. We were probably less than 5 minutes. How was it for you?
Great. Yeah, no, just a little prick initially, not bad, but on a scale of 1 to 10, probably 2.
Okay, so
yeah.
Not much at all. So with the threads in there, people will often say it may feel a little itchy, and that can be for maybe the first week or so. Sometimes when they smile and the lips stretch, it can feel a little prickly, sort of like there might be a sliver there. That's more because the thread is a little stiff right at the beginning. It hasn't softened up, and that sensation goes away usually within a week also. And since these build collagen, it'll get a little bit better with time. That collagen will start, and within probably three or 4 weeks we'll have that collagen there and even have a nicer result. It's been about 3 or 4 weeks now since we placed the threads in the lips. And with the threads, the way they work is that as they start to break down, they build collagen, and so that's the real effect with this. And so we were going for a subtle lip enhancement with this. And how do you think they look?
Yeah, they look great. I definitely noticed on the bottom lip it did plump out more than originally, so I did fill in a little bit of the lines, plumped it up because it was a little bit flat before, so it was nice, both top and bottom, but I definitely noticed it more on the bottom.
So after doing the threads, did you notice anything, like any swelling, any bruising, anything like that?
I did have a little bit of bruising, last maybe 2 weeks on the bruising side. No pain really at all. When I smiled too big, you could feel it kind of catch on some of those threads. Not painful, it's just kind of a weird sensation. It's kind of hard to describe, but like no pain at all. So.
Okay, and how bad was the bruising?
Not bad. Like it was like a little dot or two.
A little dot or two?
Yeah.
Okay, so hardly anything?
Hardly anything at all, no.
Okay, so with these threads, we're going to accomplish a subtle lip enhancement. And so how do you think it looks overall? You happy with it?
Yeah, absolutely. It's great. It's just the right amount. Very subtle. No one even noticed besides the little dot of bruising that I had. But other than that, only I noticed, and it's just the right amount.
Yeah, so this is a great way, if somebody's thinking about to do a lip enhancement, they want a little bit bigger plump, but not very much, right? This is the threads, the PDO threads are a great option. And you're happy?
I'm happy.
Yeah.